Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now, if we look carefully, if we put about u equals to this one, and we can see that inside this one, they will repeat again of u. Now we need to transform this one into u. Next, we can use about arc side for the both sides. And this one we have s minus u. So I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So this one we have one over the square root of 1 minus u square. This one we have number 1. This one we have ds. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that is from here. So we put number 0 gone here, and we have u equals to number 0. When s equals to b over 2 plus 1. So we put this number gone here, and we can see that u equals to b over 2. Oh, sorry, that's it about number 1. U equals to number 1. Because if we put number 1 gone here, this one we have b over 2. This one we got number 1. Now we need to go back in here. Number 0 we keep the same. This one we change for number 1. This one we change for u. ds we change for this one. So I will put u cone here and here. The integration of this one, we have negative the square root of 1 minus u square. The integration of u, we have u square over number 2. So we can put the bounds from number 0 to number 1. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one, and we have 3 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.